And let me share my screen. All right, can I get a thumbs up if you guys can see my screen?
Yes po, Coach.
Okay, all right, perfect. So again, we're going to talk about how you would create a portfolio. And I know that a lot of you has been delaying this part of your journey na mamaya na si portfolio. Okay lang yun si portfolio. Or whenever you think of, my gulay, gagawa ako ng portfolio. Parang hindi ko kaya gawin yan. Or anong ilalagay ko doon? Hindi ako artistic na tao, baka magmukhang ewan yung portfolio ko. Yung mga klaseng ganon. Taas ang kamay sa mga nakaka-relate. Yung lalong-lalo na sa part na hindi ko alam paano gumawa ng slide sa Canva. Yung one page nga na resume, kinailangan ko pa ng template kay coach. How much more a portfolio? So, naiintindihan ko yan. And some questions would arise, like, do I really need a portfolio coach? Well, you can apply without a portfolio. You can apply for a job without a portfolio, but your portfolio will definitely boost your application. Sino dito yung nakatry ng mag-apply? Tapos nakalagay doon, fill out this form if interested. Tapos naka 30 minutes ka nang nag-fill out ng form. Tapos chinat GPT mo pa yung mga situational questions nila para lang pumasok ka talaga. However, pagdating sa dulo, after 30 minutes, nandun ang isang non-negotiable na part, upload your portfolio. At because wala kang ma-upload na portfolio, ang ending ay kinancel mo na lahat at nasayang yung 30 minutes mo na pagsagot ng mga questions nila. Nasayang kasi wala pa ako, o, 'di ba? Cancel na lang, relate. O, ang daming naka-relate. O, tawang-tawa yung iba. Mga walang experience ko, pwedeng wala mo na portfolio. Dapat meron pa ring portfolio. Your
Ang
portfolio
hirap
is,
maghanap.
'di ba? May mga ganon. So, and so a lot of you has been delaying this, but you know exactly how important a portfolio is because if not, you guys won't be here. Because I know that a lot of you haven't slept yet. Or yung nakatulog, yung iba na kagaya ko, ilang oras lang. Tapos, andito na tayo. And because you know how important a portfolio is, you guys are here. Ayan. So, pag-usapan natin today. So, of course, our objective is for you guys to create a professional portfolio, use strategic content, and present with confidence. Kanina kapag may nagtanong, ano ba yung, paano pag walang experience? Ano ba yung ilalagay? So, kailangan ba may portfolio din? Yes, and I will answer that question later on. So, let's understand what a portfolio is muna para mas makikita nyo kung mas gaano siya kaimportante. So what a portfolio is and why clients look for it. Minsan, clients would look for your portfolio. So a portfolio is a collection of your work samples that prove what you can do. And I reiterate, hinighlight ko, yung word na proof. It's not just a list of skills. It's a visual demonstration of your abilities. Let that sink in a moment so that you would understand, kaya pala kailangan ng portfolio. Because you can definitely tell your potential client on your resume, you can write anything you want. You can say, you know how to use Google Workspace, you know how to use ClickUp, you know how to do this, you know Inbox Zero, you know how to manage emails. You can state whatever you want to state on your resume. That's why people can fake it till you make it on their resume because wala namang proof na kailangan doon. So you can state whatever you want to state on your resume, but your portfolio should be able to prove whatever is written on your resume. So your resume would tell things, your portfolio would show things. Your resume is a written document, your portfolio is going to be your proof. Your resume will get you noticed, your portfolio will seal the deal. So it's very important that you have a portfolio. So why clients look for one? Proof over promises. Anyone can claim they can do data entry, SMM, or admin work. A portfolio lets clients see it for themselves. Through your portfolio, through the sample work. Now, coach, paano kung wala ako sample work? That is the reason why you have to do your tasks here sa bootcamp because these tasks you can definitely use para sa portfolio mo. So, pwede pala yun, coach, yung tipong mga gawa-gawa lang na work. Yes, still work samples. Because ikaw pa rin ang gumawa niyan, and these are still VA tasks. Later on, when we move on to our skills training, you will have a lot of tasks. Kung ngayon puyat kayo, you will be puyater and puyatest in the long run. So, because you will have a lot of tasks. And kapag merong task, you have to do it. And for the sake of those who are not here and will watch this video later on, even when you miss a training, you will have to go back to the recording and create your tasks. Not only for me to assess if you already have learned something, but for you to be able to use those tasks as your work samples. Clear? Magagamit nyo yun. Magagamit nyo yun. So again, it reduces their risk, client's risk. Hiring a beginner is risky for them. And I cannot euphemize that. I can't make that positive sounding kind of sentence and ano, paano ba yan? Yes, statement. Because if I'm a client, it would be risky for me to hire a beginner because I know beginners never had any experience as a VA. So hiring you would be a risk for them, would be a risk for me if I'm your client. But a strong portfolio shows that you can deliver good work even without paid experience. Makikita ko, ay kahit naman pala wala siyang experience. He knows how to do this. He knows inbox zero. He knows how to manage emails. He knows how to do content calendar. He knows what a content pillar is because your portfolio will show that you can definitely deliver good work. Now, shows your level of, uy, may tulo. It shows your level of skill. It helps client understand how good you are. So the way you create your portfolio is not only for the sake that you have a portfolio. It needs to look professional. It needs to look organized. It needs to look that you really prepared and worked on it because it helps client understand how good you are. The way you would format it, the accuracy, walang mga errors, your design sense, your communication skills, and etc. So please, wag mo nang mamroblema sa mga hindi art basta. Hindi artist. So okay lang yan. Later on, I will show you something. It also shows how you think and work. Through mock projects, clients see your organization, your creativity, and your ability to follow instructions. Okay? And it helps you stand out. Many beginners rely on a resume. And here's a little secret. Not only beginners. Most of my friends who are VAs for so long, they do not have a portfolio. Because nung panahon namin, wala naman kaming portfolio. Yung mga nagpo-portfolio lang dati, yung mga graphic designers, yun, sila talaga, kaya sila may Behance account kasi sila talaga yung may portfolio because they need to show yung parang brochure nila of here are my current designs or here are the designs that I've done in the past. Pero pag EA ka dati, pag ganito yung trabaho mo, if you don't have to show designs, if you don't have to show something, then I never used a portfolio before. So it helps you stand out not only competing with other beginners. Mas marami pang ang beginners ang may portfolio ngayon kesa sa mga dating mga batikan na sa VA industry. Okay? So many beginners rely on a resume, and I don't want you to rely on a resume. A portfolio immediately makes you more credible and professional. It makes you look more prepared. It makes you look more professional. It makes you look more credible. It makes you look more ready than any other applicants. So yes, kailangan mo ng portfolio. So the difference between a resume and a portfolio. Now, resume, it says what you can do. Your portfolio, what you can actually show. So a resume is a summary of your background, your skills, your education, your work experiences, and the tools you know. It's written information only, written, not proof. So a resume tells them, here's what I can do. That's what your resume. Your portfolio is what you can actually show. A portfolio includes screenshots, sample outputs, mock projects, case studies, links to your work. It's visual proof, not written. It's visual proof. Think of it this way. A portfolio shows them, here's what I've done, even as a beginner. Okay, so a resume would tell them, here's what I can do, but here's my portfolio. Here's how I have done it. Here's what I can really do. Here's what I've done in the past. Here's what I've done during my internship. Here's what I've done during pro bonos. Here's what I could actually do. Okay? Pero bakit kailangan mo ng both? So early in our training, someone asked, should I send a resume or should I just send a portfolio? Which is which? You need both. Resume gets you noticed, portfolio gets you hired. Your portfolio boosts your application. So never, ever, ever trust anyone that would tell you, you don't need a portfolio. Nope, you need a portfolio. And take that from me. You definitely need a portfolio. Partner sila. Yes, partner yan. What clients want to see in a VA portfolio. Now, I want you to take a screenshot of this for now kasi nga later nyo pa makukuha yung copy nito. Skills, they want to see the specific tasks you can do. Examples, data entry spreadsheets. If you already have that, if you've done data and expanded data entry training, I know you guys already have that. Later on, during our first few days sa skills training, isa to sa mga gagawin ninyo. So take screenshots, do it the more professional looking way you could para maganda din yung malalagay mo sa portfolio mo. Email management samples, social media content or calendars, content calendars, lead list samples, SOPs or documentation, Canva designs. Now, when we have our group work, kasi magkakaroon tayo ng group work, I need everyone to still create something on your own because I don't want portfolios with the same screenshots. Kasi group work siya, di ba? Pag group work, no one should use yung screenshot ng ng ginawa niyo sa as a group. Kailangan wala pa po expanded coach. Wala pa. Yes, for this month wala pa. Pero yung last month nag-expanded data entry tayo. So, again, kapag may group work tayo, I want you guys to still do it on your own. Do your own task. Kahit just a part of that. Kasi iisipin niyo always, gagamitin ko to for my portfolio. Okay? Now, quality. Quality means clean format, correct grammar, organized layout, proper spelling, presentable designs. For the designs, sinong hindi marunong mag-design? Sinong wala sa art side ng mundo dito? Yung tipong, coach, stick drawing lang talaga ang alam ko. Yung ganon. Ayan. Hayaan nyo. May solusyon tayo dyan. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Ha? Sa sobrang tuwa niyo mamaya, mapapadalhan niyo ako ng kape. Charis. Wait lang. Prompt is the key. Prompt, words lang yung prompt eh. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung aalis sa training, walang makukuha kasi i-off ko na yung recording ni Charles. Ganun talaga. So, consistency, client wants to see you can follow a structure. You do things the same way every time. You don't rush or produce sloppy work. Your samples, use consistent fonts, colors, format. Consistency builds trust. Ayaw ko makakita ng ibang color palette on the first page. First 3 page, pink and white. Fourth and to 6 page, blue and red naman. Ano ba yan? Anong portfolio ba to? Charis. Ano ba talaga yung ginagawa mo? Portfolio o magazine, rainbow portfolio design? Sa mga artist natin dyan, I know it's tempting to put a lot of things, to be very, very artistic, but please stick to what is professional looking, okay? So, professionalism, how you label your files, how you explain your samples, your tone and writing style, your portfolio layout, your attention to detail. So, still, gagamit tayo ng ChatGPT or any other AI tool para sa content ng portfolio natin. Professionalism tells clients this person can represent my business well. Because if the client cannot see professionalism in you, magdadalawang isip si client, eto ba yung magre-represent ng kumpanya ko? Wait lang, parang hindi tama. So, kailangan, that's what you're going to tell the client na this person I can represent your business. Okay? So, what to include in your portfolio? You should have about me section, your core skills, tools you know, sample works or mock projects, mini case studies, testimonials from instructors. So yes, you can get testimonials from me, your classmates, or any of your pro bono tasks na ginawa, pro bono projects. And of course, your contact information and portfolio links. You should have call to action at the end of your portfolio. So, creating sample works. So, ano ba yung mga sample work na kailangan nyo ilagay doon? So, for data entry, pwede kang gumawa ng Google Sheet na may product list, CRM style database, contact list, calendar mockup. You can also use ChatGPT. You can use a lot of different AIs to ask for what sample works can I show if I am creating this kind of portfolio. For EA naman, you can do calendar management mock scenario. So, when we do our, hindi ko alam kung sino naka-gold pass dito, we're going to have our EA 101, EA roadmap and mastery. So, yung mga tasks doon, pwedeng-pwede nyo nang gamitin. Travel itinerary sample, meeting notes sample, inbox categorization system. I was planning pala na aside, next month, we're going to have our 5 days intensive US recruitment training program. But on August, I'm going to have a 5 days intensive EA naman na training for those who want to become more efficient as executive assistant. And sa 5 days intensive na yan, more on real tasks. Para kang nag-internship talaga. Kasi nakita ko mas maraming nag-hiring ngayon ng EA. And most of our success stories are EA yung niche nila. Okay, so August yan, intensive. Social media management samples would be your 5 to 9 sample posts via Canva. Gawa kayo ng post sa Canva. 1 month mock content plan or yung content calendar ninyo. 3 sample captions. Brand mood board. Social media audit for a random page. All these things na sinasabi ko dito, you will learn all these during our SMM topic sa skills training. So, wag kayong mag-alala. Kasi pag sinabi nyo, kasi kapag EA ka, you can still have social media samples. Lagyan nyo ng social media samples, yung social media management samples kapag EA ka. Kasi some EAs handle social media. Edge mo yan. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung training natin, hindi siya masasayang because pwede siya i-interlink with each other. Kunwari, mag-EA ka, hindi masasayang SMM mo. Mag-EA ka, hindi masasayang data entry mo. Kahit mag-US recruiter ka, hindi masasayang lahat ng mga inaral mo sa SMM because Canva creating content, you would still need that because of course, as a recruiter, you will be posting your job ads on social media. Hindi siya mawawala. Hindi siya masasayang. For lead gen samples naman, you can do 20 to 50 entry sample lead list. Pwede mong pakitaan ng screenshot and then you can add the link to that spreadsheet. So here's parang a snapshot of my lead list. And then if you want to, like, you can click this link for the full list. Para pag i-click yun ng client, makikita niya na, ay, ito yung full list. Pero just by one look, makikita niya na how you organize your columns, paano mo siya inayos, may drop down ba yan, may ganito ba yan, maayos siya tingnan. So, screenshot and then link. Later on, pag-uusapan natin what Loom is and how you can use Loom in creating your portfolio as well in the long run. Okay? Lead gen internship ko ng mga, yes, pwedeng-pwede. So, screenshot of spreadsheet format, short SOP of how they verified leads. For EA naman, you can create SOPs and you can include that in your work samples. So, how to display your portfolio? Recommended platforms, definitely Canva. You can use Canva portfolio website. So, punta ka sa Canva. Nakikita niyo ba yung Canva ko? Nakikita niyo nag-move? Nasa Canva na ako. Can you see it?
Yes po, nakita ko na.
Okay. So, dito ka sa create. Okay, thank you so much. Create. And then, dito, magsa-search ka ng portfolio. Tapos, yan. Ang hahanapin mo itong 4x3.
4x3 po.
Yes, 4x3. Click mo yan, and then you will be prompted with a lot of different templates. Ayan, maraming templates yan.
Yun lang po.
Yan.
Coach, excuse me lang po. Since sensya na po sa since okay
Yeah,
lang
it's
po ba
okay.
i-try muna yung first 30 days, yung for 30 days po. Try lang po muna yun.
Anong for first 30 days? Sorry.
I mean for 30 days po kasi yung susubok yung nakalagay kasi try it free for 30 days po.
Don't worry, Canva is free unless you pay for the premium. Pero I've used Canva for free for so long until such time na gagamitin ko na siya halos every day. Right now, I only have a premium account because, of course, dito tumatakbo lahat ng mga contents namin. Sa Canva ko ginagawa almost lahat. Even my presentation, yung iba kong presentation dito. So, okay lang talaga kahit free account. Okay lang yan.
Kasi last year kasi I already have an experience using it. I mean, sa ibang training ko po. So, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, okay lang yan. Okay lang yung free. Okay lang talaga yung
Sige
free.
po, salamat po.
Okay. Sa mga wala pang Canva, pwedeng kailangan yung gumawa ng Canva because you're going to use Canva. I love Loom Coach. Nagamit ko na siya kay Sir Nathan. Ayun. Nate is very, very happy with all of you. He just sent me a video last night. Wait lang. And I can't wait to post this. Saan ba yung tumawag pala si Nate? Diyos mio, Dolor, Nate, tumawag ka pala ng 2:00. Si Nate na talaga. Si Nate na bigla-bigla na lang tatawag. So, ayan. Dito ka portfolio presentation and find a very professional looking portfolio. I have a template but I will not show it to you because ang pangit niya pa talaga. And yung mga portfolio kasi na ginawa ko, yung mga first 10, yung mga ganon, nandun sa iMac so I can't share it with you right now. But for example, I'm just gonna look for something that looks really professional. Wait lang, be. Tingnan natin kung nandito pa sa namin ni Rhea. Wait lang ha. Makita ko lang baka nandito pa sa history namin ni Rhea. Ay, ba't makita? Ay, wala. Saglit lang. Kasi ang alam ko meron yun eh. Meron akong 2 sample portfolio. Saglit lang talaga. So while I'm doing
Excuse
this, you guys
me.
can explore. Yes.
Bilang po ba yung admin VA sa data entry?
Ano daw? Sorry.
Bilang po ba yung admin VA sa data entry?
Hindi, magkaiba yun silang 2.
Okay, coach. Thank you.
Okay. This one. This one is a sample EA portfolio. So something that looks like this. Tapos dapat picture mo ha, kasi pangit din. Ang nakalagay Jerica Lopez. Tapos yung picture dito lalaki. So dapat picture mo. And then executive summary, yan. Yung mga yan. About me, dedicated to executive support. Yung mga content na nakikita nyo dyan, ito like this, you can use, of course, you can use Canva for that. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI tool for you to do that. Mastery of executive workflow, so calendar management, inbox management, travel. Buti na lang at nasa history pa. And then client testimonials, ayan. There, I'm just gonna go through this. Inbox zero system, kunwari ganyan, ayan. Why this matters to you. And then calendar management system overview. Ayan. Next, travel itinerary. Bakit hindi naayos to? Sorry. Ayan, travel itinerary sample work. Next, work experience. Ayan, kung gusto mo maglagay pa ng work experience, but kung ako, I would still, pero hindi ko na hindi ko na siya i-expand pa. Education or education, training programs completed. Yan. And then your call to action. buy back your time by letting me handle your inbox, calendar, and daily operations so you can focus on what truly drives your business forward. And then, of course, your contact info, your LinkedIn profile na optimized, okay? Optimized. So I'm gonna give you this later on. Kala nyo ngayon na agad eh. Later, papakita ko yan sa inyo. I'll give that to you para you have at least a sample of ganito pala yung itsura. Okay? And you can use that as a template as well. Pag
Coach,
website
excuse me lang
portfolio,
po.
carry lang. Yes.
Excuse me lang po. Napansin ko dahil free pa yung yung Canva ko, yung ibang mga template kasi may siya, may bayad.
Yes. Yung may mga crown, kapag etong
Oo nga
may
pala,
mga
okay.
crown.
Pag may
Yan
mga
o,
crown
yan.
yun yung may bayad na nga pala. Okay, tanda ko na.
Yes.
Just
So,
like last
hanap
week,
ka
ganun
lang
nga
ng
pala.
walang crown. Yan,
Yeah,
hanap ka
mahirap
lang
nga
ng
pala
walang
yun.
crown.
Mahirap nga pala yun kasi may bayad nga pala yun. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So if you're starting from scratch, for example, ito kunwari lang ito ha, you can either push for one page, or you can push to use apply all 15 pages. Tapos same thing, same sa resume, tatanggalin mo lang yan, papalitan mo, kunwari ito, papalitan mo ng Jenny, for example, Jerome Mendoza. Tapos, kung ano ba yung job title ni Jerome. Yan. Tapos, for example, yung job title niya, executive assistant. Yan, pwedeng ganun. Tapos next, so introducing, ikaw, tapos kung ano, yan, pwede mo nang palitan anytime. Okay? You can delete pages here, ganyan. Tapos delete if you don't want that page. Kunwari may mga table of content, kagaya niyan, hindi naman natin kailangan ng table of content. So, yung 3 dots, pag i-hover mo yung mouse mo, lalabas yung 3 dots, and then delete page. Yan. So, for example, kung kunwari, you want this, tapos gusto mo i-duplicate yung ganyang klaseng format, you can still do the same thing, 3 dots, and then duplicate page. Okay, so may mga templates. Sa mga hindi artsy, sa mga hindi artistic na tao, pwede kang gumamit ng mga templates sa Canva na hindi mo na kailangan pang ayusin kung saan mo ilalagay yung mga ganire, mga ganito, ganito. Nandyan na, babaguhin mo na lang yung words, babaguhin mo yung picture. Same thing sa picture. Yan, tapos punta ka lang sa upload. You can upload your own pictures here and then you can, yan, pwede na yung mga tawag yan. Pwede mo nang palitan yung mga pictures na yan, okay? O, di ba, busy-busy sa paggawa ng mga resume. Ayan.
Excuse coach, pwede
Yes.
din naman yung mga parang sample pictures na lang na hindi kailangan ikaw sa picture?
May mga parts na hindi kailangan ikaw, like for example, these kinds of pictures. Pero for pictures like this, for areas like this, for pages like that, kailangan ikaw. Dapat ikaw. Pero sa mga ganito, pwede nang hindi ikaw. Yan. Pero sa huli, dapat ikaw talaga. Siyempre, dapat pakita mo yung mukha mo.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Ayan. Create, pwede din search mo lang portfolio. Kung saan nga po makita sa Canva. Search ka lang portfolio. So, dito ka. Okay, balikan ko lang ha. Ayan. So, nandito ka pag login mo sa Canva. Tapos dito sa plus, create. Click mo. Tapos search mo portfolio. Tapos yung 4x3 ang gamitin mo. Asan ba yun? Ito. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, Canva is still my go-to. But you can also, once, kunwari tapos ka na sa Canva, yan, you can either, ayan, share this, download, tapos download as, pag Canva, PowerPoint presentation. Huwag PDF. Pwedeng PowerPoint. Resume, PDF. Para sa portfolio, PowerPoint. And then you can upload this to your Drive. Ayan, Google Drive. And then sa online jobs, I'm not sure if there is still a portfolio section. You can put your portfolio there. You can upload your portfolio. Notion, you can use Notion to create your portfolio, but I will not suggest it kasi mahirap siya gawin doon. LinkedIn featured section din and Upwork portfolio items. Pwede yung website. Yes, pwede yung website. So, ayan, ginawa na natin yan. I'm just gonna move on to the next one. So, writing your mock project's description, ayan. Mock project title, social media content plan for cafe brand. So, kung nakita nyo, itong mock projects na nandito, Parang ganito itsura. Ayan. Kung nakita nyo, meron siyang calendar management system overview, tapos efficient scheduling, why this matters to you. Pag naglagay ka ng why this matters to you, parang pinapakita mo sa kanya, ito yung problema mo eh. Tapos ito yung solusyon. So, pain point plus solution equals hired. Charis. 'Di ba? Kailangan meron yan. Parang, yan, that's how you would present your mock projects or sample works. Okay? So adding testimonials, even if you're a beginner, you can get testimonials from your instructors, from your coach, from your classmates, from volunteer work, mga pro bono, community groups, and from free trial tasks. So final assembly, building the full portfolio. So instructor guided activity. O, sige, gaguide ko na kayo. About me, tools, mock description, contact details, lahat na yan. So polishing and professionalizing. No clutter, no unrelated work. Huwag ka maglagay dyan ng first aid mo na picture habang nagre-revive ka ng isang taong kailangan mabuhay ulit. Because hindi mo magagamit sa VA yan. It's a very good profession. At bilib na bilib ako sa mga ganyan talaga. I wish I could do the same thing. Siguro kapag may nakita akong ganyan, wala din talaga ako magawa, sisigaw na lang ako. pero hindi yan magagamit sa ganitong klaseng
Coach,
portfolio.
pwede po
So do not
magtanong.
include that. Yeah, pwede.
Ano po, Coach, yung certificate po na binibigay mo po sa amin, pwede po namin po ba ilagay yun sa
Yes.
portfolio po namin po?
Yes. Dito sa trainings, training programs completed. Yan. Pwedeng-pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung ano nyo, yung certificate. Dito certificate. Dito certificate. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Kapag certificate yung nakalagay dyan, oh, ano masasabi mo, client? Ha? Akala mo, gawa-gawa ko lang yun. Hindi, may certificate yan. Lagay mo dyan. So, for example, ito kasi hindi siya, pwede mo tong palitan. Tanggalin mo. Tapos, punta ka sa elements. Tapos, hanap ka ng frame. Yan. Tapos, hanap ka ng frame na rectangle, for example. Bakit wala mga rectangle dito? So, may ginatanaw sa kumba ng anong bebot-bebot naman na. Yan. Tapos, adjust. Yan. So, now you have this. Tapos, tanggalin mo na lang yan. Tanggalin mo din yan. Tapos, copy, paste. O, diba? Makikita mo yung mga pink lines para ma-align siya, para hindi siya magmukhang ewan. Yan. Tapos, kunwari, eto, punta ka sa uploads mo, dito mo i-upload yung certificate mo. So, for example, I don't know if I have a certificate here. For example, ito yung certificate. For example lang ha, so sample lang. Pwede mo na siyang i-drag and drop there. So, magmumukha na siyang certificate. Double-click to adjust. Yan, or ganyan. I-fit mo siya. Okay? That's how you do it. May perma yung certificate, di gawa-gawa. Yes. Or pwede na lang i-contact yung nakalagay doon para sigurado. So, Carrie, coach yung training po ng data entry, di ba free po yun? Yung naka-gold pass lang po ba may cert? Hindi. Lahat ng trainings natin sa the VA ladder, except for crafting resume and niche discovery, kasi hindi nyo naman magagamit yung, wala siyang certificate talaga. Pero the rest, yung mga skills training natin, mapa-paid man or free, as long as naka-attendance ka sa tamang oras, meron kang certificate. Pero yung mga naka-gold pass, naka-attendance man o wala, meron silang certificate of completion. Why? Because lahat kasi ng trainings nila, lahat ng trainings natin recorded for them. So, pwede nilang balikan. Pero yung nag-avail ng free, hindi nila mababalikan yon. So, there's no point of giving certificate of completion kung hindi talaga nila natapos yon. So, as long as naka-attendance ka, meron at meron kang certificate. Okay?
Coach,
So, ganyan lang maglagay ng mga certificates. Dito ilalagay ang certificate, hindi sa resume. Okay? Clear?
Coach,
Yes.
just to clarify lang po, yung resume po, pag sinave namin, PDF file siya.
PDF.
Then,
Yes.
for portfolio po, PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. Yes.
Thank you po.
Tama. Okay. All right. So, I want everyone to open your Canva and try to find tawag niyan, template for your portfolio. And I want you to do that now because I want you to be able to remember how you would look for a template, a portfolio template in Canva. So I want you to, I'm gonna give only 8 minutes. 9 o'clock we'll be back para gagawin yung the rest na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Sige, go.
Ano po yung coach yung gagawin?
Hanap lang kayo ng portfolio na gagamitin ninyo. Template ng portfolio na gagawin ninyo. Sige,
Ay,
hanap
anyway,
muna
sa
kayo.
Canva, coach.
Canva, yes, Canva.
Okay.
Canva
ano
muna.
lang.
Sige, I'm gonna put myself on mute. Again, pwede nyo nang palitan yung names, pero wala mo nang laman.
Coach,
Coach?
4x3 yung size, no?
Yes,
Ng slide.
4x3.
Okay,
4
thank
by
you.
3.
Coach, Jonah
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Coach, question lang po. Yung sample work po ba ng admin assistant, same lang po sa EA or iba po siya?
Mostly the same. Mas higher level nga lang si EA. So, pwedeng the same.
Tapos second question po, Coach, same lang po ba yung admin assistant sa administrative support?
So, sorry, ano daw?
Same lang po yung admin assistant na job title sa administrative support?
Yes, same.
Thank you po, Coach.
Okay. Yes.
Good afternoon. Oh, sorry.
Hindi kita masyadong marinig. Sorry. Parang ang layo mo sa microphone.
Meron na po akong nagawang portfolio for ano na lang po. Papakita ko na kung okay na siya.
Okay. Sige. Later, I will ask. Sige. 8
Hi,
minutes.
Coach.
6
Good
minutes left.
afternoon.
Yep.
Hi, Coach.
Yeah.
Coach,
Good
yung
morning
sa
pa tayo.
ChatGPT, sorry, good morning. Sorry, Coach. Good morning. Coach, yung sa ChatGPT, yung lumabas is administration and operations specialist. Pero parang gusto ko siya na na yung i-position yung self ko as data entry specialist. Pwede
So,
ba yun?
question, yung nag-manual kang gawa ng
Yung sa niche sa
anong
AI.
lumabas?
Administrative and operations specialist.
So yung niche mo talaga is nasa admin, pero
Sa
yung
admin,
pinaka gusto mong gawin,
Is
data
data
entry.
entry. Yeah.
Pwede naman yun, wala namang problema
Pwede
doon. Wala namang
Okay.
problema. Yeah.
So Coach, yung parang yung profile, is it data
Data
entry
entry.
specialist or
Data entry,
data entry specialist
Data
lang
entry, yes.
talaga?
Your chosen niche talaga, your chosen niche.
Okay, sige. Salamat.
Excuse me,
Coach.
Coach.
Yes.
Quick question lang. Saan po makita yung 4x3, Coach? Di ko na...
Tawag nito? Dito. Ayan. So, create portfolio. And then, ayan. 4x3. Ano? Portfolio presentation 4x3. Ayan. 5 minutes more. Just
Thank you, Coach.
look for, you're welcome, for a template. Template lang naman, tapos lagyan niyo lang ng pangalan, gayon. Sige, 4 minutes more. Nakaka-pressure ba kapag may countdown na ganito? 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Sige, gawin niyo yan. Ginusto niyo yan. Pinost ko kayo. Ended almost 1 a.m. last night. It's 7:57 a.m. Pinost ko kayo sa Facebook ko.
Nakaka-excite pala Coach. Nakaka-excite maghanap ng
Ng template? Diba?
Yes, Coach.
Yes.
So, I'm from, Coach kasi, not a very artsy side. So, thanks to Canva.
Yes. Alam niyo, frustrated. Ang daldal ko talaga. Frustrated akong photographer. And bakit ako frustrated na photographer? Because una, hindi ko alam paano gamitin yung camera ko before. The only thing that I know is zoom in, zoom out, take a picture. Pero yung paggamit talaga ng camera, walang nagtuturo. And I'm an interactive learner. Pag YouTube, hindi talaga ako natututo. Gusto ko talaga matanong yung tatanungin kita, yung ganon. And another one is I do not know how to use Photoshop. Dati Photoshop lang naman meron. Adobe Photoshop. Hindi ko siya kahit anong pilit ko, hindi siya ang hirap para sa akin. So, nung dumating si Canva, tuwang-tuwa ako because now I can create designs na hindi ako mahihirapan, na hindi ako mamatay-matay Nang dahil sa Photoshop na yan. So, very friendly si Canva.
Coach,
Yes.
excuse coach, about lang po dun sa data entry certificate, paano po pag di po kasi ako naka-receive? So, sino po pwedeng i-contact?
Create a ticket.
Sige po. Sige po. Thank you po.
Okay.
Hello, Coach.
Yes.
Hello po. Aljon po. Coach, naka-receive kasi ako ng email about dun sa top 10 na gagawa nyo din ng portfolio.
Yes.
So, kailan po yung makaka-receive or kailan
After
po
pa
yung...
ng bootcamp.
Okay
Because
po.
I need your work samples pa.
Okay,
After ng
okay,
bootcamp.
Coach. Thank you.
Wow, sana all. Pero gawin mo to ha. Gawin
Yes,
mo
Coach,
pa rin
ginagawa
to.
na po. Apo, gumagawa na
Okay,
po.
very good. Sinabi niya lang talaga yon para painggitin kayo na, hello, I'm part of the first 10. It's the subtle way of saying, part ako ng first 10.
Kaya
Joke
nga,
Excuse me
coach,
po.
dapat nga
Naswertehan
sasabihin
lang,
ko
Coach.
na may samples din.
Coach,
Yes?
yan, excuse me lang po. May tatanong lang sana ako na slight na medyo hindi related ang konti dito. Regarding po sa schedule next week po ba? Are we expecting na yung schedule namin po almost the same, like sa gabi pa rin po or may mga certain days na umaga po?
Morning talaga ang Friday natin. 10 talaga yan, usually. Kasi pag Friday and Saturday, meron tayong individual trainings for the Gold Pass members. Yung mga individual trainings natin gaya ng mga US recruitment, mga lead generation. So we'll have to, the only days that I do my individual trainings na paid would be Fridays and Saturdays. So yung Friday natin na klase talaga is morning. 10 a.m. usually. Ngayon lang talaga ako nag-move ng 8 because kung mag-10 ako, hindi na ako aabot dun sa next ko na training because I have another training at 3 which I moved to 4. So, yeah, that's what you're going to expect next
Pero
week.
pagka po ba yung Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday next week, we're expecting
Same.
sa gabi pa po yun?
Yes, gabi pa rin yan.
Pero pag Thursday, Friday sa umaga po yun?
Pag Friday, yes.
Pero po hindi, what I'm saying is yung Thursday po ba, isa umaga pa din po yun o gabi? Umaga po ba or gabi rin po?
Gabi yun. Gabi naman natin ginawa kagabi.
Okay,
Si Thursday.
gabi pa rin. So
Kagabi.
yeah,
Monday to
kasi
Thursday.
akala ko po kasi coach, kaya nagulat din ako kagabi kasi sabi ko bakit umaga? Hindi ko na ba, perhaps na-misread ko yata yung first email na padala ni Mr. Ria ba yun na PM din, ina-expect ko. So yung pala, umaga pala. Mali ako nabasa.
Yeah, morning tayo pag Friday.
Okay, sige pa. Thank you.
Morning. To give way to our individual trainings.
Hi,
Okay, so
Coach.
9, okay na?
Janet po.
Yep.
Coach, may question po sana.
Yes.
Janet po here. Coach, based po dun sa niche discovery na ginawa ko po, sabi po ng ChatGPT, more inclined ako sa medical virtual admin assistant or virtual assistant. Pero yung niche na nilagay ko po sa resume ko po ay data entry specialist. Will be okay lang po ba yun?
Ano bang gusto mong niche? What's your chosen niche?
Data entry.
Yes. The niche discovery is just your guide of what really is, what your niche should really be. Pero of course, it's really up to you if you would stick to it or you'd rather do just data entry for now because you're just starting. So okay lang yan, walang problema.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Sa'yo? Nandito. Ay, di ba binigyan na kita kahapon?
Thank you.
Coach,
Yes. Oy, okay na. Tapos na. Sige, ano tong question na to? Yes.
pwede po ba, pag gumawa po sa portfolio, pwede po ba yung mag-add ng mga icons? Like sa
Yes,
mga
pwede.
tools and skills?
Pwede. Yes.
Like, pwede po ba like lahat ng skills lagyan ng icons or like minimal lang po?
Minimal lang. Wag naman punuin. Parang ganito lang siya dapat. Yung, asa na ba yon? Yan, parang mga ganyan lang. Wag yung dadamihan mo talaga. Kasi, For example, yan, XYZ Corporation, pwede mong lagyan ng logo nila, ABC Enterprise, yung ganun, pwede. Pero wag yung super dami ng icons because it would look messy na. So, stick to stick to professional looking pa rin talaga. Okay? So, nakahanap na ba lahat ng template? We can move on to the next part. Mas exciting
yes,
yung
Coach.
next part.
Coach,
Okay.
Coach Emmeline
excuse po.
here.
Ala kayo sa buhay niyo, Tres. Yes. Yes.
Coach, may tanong lang po ako. Coach, paano po yun? Syempre wala pa pong client. So, wala pong client testimonies.
Saan ba mahahanap yung ibang testimonies? Na-discuss natin yan earlier. Unless late ito. Sino to?
Sa
Emmeline po.
Coach?
Kapag aalaman yung mga late dito, ano na?
Si Coach, pwede
Si Coach and
mag-testimony.
colleague.
Mga pro bono.
Yes po.
Ayun. Very good. Thank you so much for that
friends.
and for those answers.
friends mo.
Ayun,
Okay.
okay?
Okay po, sir. Okay.
Ayun, napag-aalaman yung mga late pumasok eh.
Hindi, Coach. Nakakalimutan ko nga.
Nakakalimutan pala.
mo.
Yes.
Yan. So,
magpo-pro
by the
bono
way,
po pala.
meron akong tip sa inyo. Kasi diba nasabi ko na sa inyo na when you learn something, 70% of what you have learned, you will lose it after 24 hours if you have not told anyone about it or if you have not done it yourself. So the reason why we're doing, diba, the way I really do my training is this, gagawa, mag-explain ako, I'll show you, and then I will really give you time na, gawin nyo na to because I really want everything that you have learned to retain. Ganon. Now, if for example, di nyo magawa, like, mamaya na to, ganito, ganyan, try to write it down in using blue ball pen. Scientifically speaking, bright. Our brain cells work differently. It can parang mas nare-retain siya sa utak natin when you use blue ball pen. So when I'm taking down notes, I use blue ball pen. You could even still remember where exactly in your notebook you have written it. Like yung part, hindi exactly yung page ha. Yung parang alam ko dun sa yun lower right hand corner ko nilagay yung part na yan. So you write it down. Okay?
Coach, excuse
Excuse me,
po.
Coach.
Yes. Alright. Bukas maraming bibili ng blue ball pen. Salihan niyo
Coach,
ako.
paano po yung
Ano,
mga
Coach?
certificates po?
Antayin niyo lang yung certificates ninyo, ha? Kasi
Wala po kasing attendance link na sinend po dito sa Teams dati.
may mga trainings tayo na hindi kami nagpa-attendance talaga. So
Thank you
that's
po.
okay. Antayin niyo lang. So let's move on na muna
Coach.
before your next, sige, last na to question. What's your question?
Yung sa testimony po, Coach, pwede po ba na hindi po ilagay doon ng name sa nag-testify po?
Hindi siya magiging credible kasi. So, pwede mong ilagay kung saan siya na company nagtrabaho.
Okay
Pero
po.
mas maganda kung may pangalan talaga.
Sige po.
Okay? Alright,
Thank
so
you
let's
po.
move on. I'm gonna give you an AI prompt. Mga paborito ninyo. So, position-specific VA portfolio generator with resume input. So, ito, act as a world-class VA coach, global recruiter. Ayan, step 1, required inputs. Lalagyan nyo muna yan ng mga kailangan. Yung mga information nyo, lalagyan nyo muna before you actually paste this to your AI. Ayan. Do not proceed until resume and job description are provided. So, lalagyan nyo yan lahat ha. Resume, you paste your full resume content or pwede nyo i-upload yung resume for reference. Kung walang job description, you can delete this part. Kasi, ayan, delete ko na nga lang. Kasi minsan nalilito. Ayan. Carefully analyze the job title. Yan. Tapos yan. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Yan. Sorry, dinadouble check ko lang. Wait lang. Ayan. So, I'm gonna give this to you so that you can create the content of your portfolio. Now, if you already have the content of your portfolio, so for example, asan na ba yun? Kunwari na meron na kayong content ng portfolio nyo, lagay nyo muna siya sa Word doc. So, ganyan. Gagawa kayo ng ganyan. Tapos lalagyan nyo portfolio content. Tapos dito nyo ilalagay yung ibibigay ni ChatGPT. So I'm just gonna do one quick sample. Saglit lang. Para lang may sample kayo. Uy, excited. Walang umiimik. Uy, umimik ako baka isipin ko na naman na wala na naman tong mga to. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna create another one here. Ito kasi job specific siya. Yung may description. Ito ng tab 2. Ito gamitin nyo ha. Nasa tab 2. Tapos,
Coach,
yes.
pwede po pa-send ulit ng yung AI prompt po?
Hindi ko pa nasisend.
Okay po.
Hindi ko pa nasisend. I'm just gonna create another one. Gagawa lang ako ng mabilisang paggawa lang ng for example, ito uy, tapos na yung sa'yo. Ay, nandito ba si Rosel? Wait lang ha, kasi gagawa lang ako ng just the content para lang makita nyo how it would look like. So, dito sa portfolio ninyo, ay naku it's not. Ayaw gumana. Ano ba yan? Bakit kailangan may resume akong ida-download? Saglit lang. Para mas makita nyo talaga paano gawin. Oops.
Tanong ako, dun ba sa coach, may tatanong po sana ako.
Yeah.
Dun ba sa resume intake form, pwede ko po bang kunwari ilagay kayo as a reference po o hindi?
Pwede.
Okay, thank you po.
Pwede yan.
Coach,
Pwede nyo ako gawing basta lang just let me know first ha. Like, kunwari may in-applyan na kayo, tapos gagawin nyo akong reference. Let me know, coach, ganito, ganyan. Kasi baka hindi ko mapansin na may nag-email na or baka hindi ko maalala yung mga pangalan ninyo kasi hindi naman kayo lahat ay maingay. Dito yung iba silent mode lang talaga dyan. So, yan. Just let me know. Ayan. Papakita ko lang real quick lang. Ayaw pa mag-paste. Bakit?
Coach, sorry.
Yes.
I have a question, Coach LV here. Regarding po sa testimonial po or testimony po ng like for example yung past client or yung kasi ako yung pwede ba yung sa corporate coach na kasi 12 years ako doon, pwede ba maghingi sa kanya ng
Yes, pwede. Previous employer, diba? Pwede. So, pwede yan. Walang problema.
Ano pong kailangan? Screenshot ba ng talaga nila yung message galing sa kanila or pwede
Yes.
pwede okay, screenshot talaga.
Screenshot. Yep, screenshot. So, for example, ito na yung portfolio content. Ginawa nyo na. Ginamit nyo yung AI prompt. This is what you have. Yan. So, now, meron ka ng about me, diba? Hindi mo na pahihirapan ng sarili mong gumawa ng about me section. Pero, again, double check. Baka hindi tama yung sinabi ni ChatGPT. Your core competencies and everything else, meron na agad. Now, when you already have this, you can go to Canva and then you can create na, diba? But what if I tell you that you can actually do or create a portfolio in less than 15 minutes, and that's using Gamma. So let me introduce you to my favorite AI, Gamma. Gamma.app, and I'm gonna show you. You can either do this.
Nakapag-download na ako niyan, Gamma.
Diba? You can either do this. So I have a premium account, so you guys need to create an account. Doesn't have to be premium. Kaso nga lang, kapag hindi premium ang account mo, you will only be limited to 10 cards. Ibig sabihin, 10 slides, 10 pages. But that's okay. 10 is already enough. Now, click on All Eyes Here, because I'm not going to explain this again. All Eyes Here, log into your Gamma.app, and then click Create New. You have two options. Now, you can paste in text, yan, and then instead of web page, you can do presentation. And then get all this, yung portfolio content, and then dito sa Gamma mo, lagay mo, paste mo. Sa baba niyan, you preserve this exact text, and then continue to prompt editor. Let me do that one more time. Log into your Gamma, click Create New, choose Paste in Text because you already have the content. Then paste it here. Tapos make sure naka-presentation. Baba ka. Click Preserve this exact text. Click Continue to Prompt Editor. From here, you can click on View More for the themes. You can choose Standard and you can choose whatever theme you would want to use. So for example, you want to use
Ang
this.
ganda niyan.
Sige
Yung may
lang, wait
gold.
lang. Ganda yung my gold, no? Pero sige, we're gonna use this or tingnan natin. It's so colorful.
Sa aesthetics kasi ginagamit namin black and gold.
Ito na lang. Sige, ito na lang. Select theme and then baba ka ng konti. Here you can see that this has 21 cards. So pwede mo siyang i-edit para maging 10 cards lang uy, nawala. Pwede mo siyang i-edit para 10 cards lang siya. Pwede mong palitan, bawasan, or depende na sa'yo. So, baba ka lang ng konti. Dito, you can choose the image art style. You can do illustration or photorealistic na mga photos. I always choose photorealistic photos. Depende sa audience ko. Pero for ganito na mga documents, of course, dito tayo sa photorealistic. And then optional, you can put professional. Depende, anong gusto mo. Tapos, yan. And then dito sa additional instructions, you can type in whatever you want. Like for example, this is going to be my portfolio. Make sure everything looks professional and readable. Yan. And then click generate. And huwag kayo kukurap. Because yung sobrang tagal nyo nang dinedelay because it already is taking ilang days na at hindi nyo matapos-tapos na portfolio, ganito mo siya gagawin. Sorry, ang bagal ng internet ko.
Coach, question lang po.
Sige, after this.
Okay po.
Ito yung sinasabi ni Miss Ingrid na magic. Yep, it is. So now you can create your portfolio in less than 15 minutes. Meron pa akong isang ipapakita sa inyo. Magugulat kayo. And you can change the pictures.
I love you, Coach.
Tagal na ba
I
yung
love you
Gamma,
too.
Coach?
Bago lang to.
So,
Coach, for
sa ibang
Unbelievable.
virtual,
Yung tipo, ang tagal-tagal ko nang gumagawa nito. Pagod na ako. Ilang days ko na ginagawa. Tapos meron palang ganito. Ano ba
Dati ang
yan?
alam ko lang AI ChatGPT. Coach, bakit ngayon ka lang namin nakilala?
Grabe ka na, Coach.
Yes,
Grabe na yan, Coach.
Sulit ba ang gold pass?
Hala.
Sulit ba?
Yes, sulit na
Yes,
sulit.
super.
Tuloy
Baka
na
hindi
tuloy.
naman.
Ganda.
Dati
Baka
alam ko lang
niloloko
AI
nilang ako.
ChatGPT.
For us
Diba?
beginners,
Ito,
Coach, wala ulit tinapos mo
Coach,
agad yung
magkano
laban,
ang
Coach, eh.
subscription ng Gamma? Magkano ang
nasa
subscription?
2,000 ata every month. 2,000 plus.
Pag gumagawa ng
Willing to
presentation,
pay.
okay na yan.
Willing to pay. True,
Ang
Coach.
bilis
It's
lang
true.
pala,
Araw.
a not very artsy person.
Ano daw, true coach yung portfolio ko, ilang araw ko na ginawa, tapos may ganyan pala, grabe effort ko, mag-adjust. Day 5 pa lang, pero sulit na. Ayan. Magic
Coach,
discovery
Pasabog ka,
cycle.
coach.
Coach, pag yung graphics for the portfolio, di ba yung sarili mong, bawa ako, SMM, yung
Pwede
talagang
mo
ginawa
i-change.
ko.
Pwede, ayan. Remove accent image, tapos pwede ka na mag-add.
Mga
Ready?
ilan kaya required?
What do you mean ilang pictures?
Ilang
Ilang
photos?
pictures?
Yeah, mga ilan kaya?
Depende kung ilang gusto mo ilagay. Basta wag lang paulit-ulit yung mukha mo talaga. Kasi, ano din, mapapasabi
Nasaan
din
na
si
sila?
client, parang bakit, anong binibenta niya dito, yung sarili niya o ano yung ganito, ganyan. Pero eto na ha, okay na. Tapos tingnan nyo, you can present this to the client. Yan. Ganyan yung makikita ng client. Yan. Yata yung ginagamit ko sa ating mga materials. Kung napansin nyo. Ang ganda, di ba? Hindi ka na mag-screenshot, hindi ka na mag-aano, hindi ka na... With the AI
Perfect.
prompt for your content plus Gamma, wala nang rason para magkaroon pa kayo ng, ay coach, wala pa akong ganito, ganyan. And then from here, if ayaw mo ng theme niya, parang, ay, masyadong colorful, you can change the theme here.
Yes.
Yan, you can change it from here if you want to. And then makikita mo, ayan, nagbago na yung itsura niya sa gilid. Okay?
Pwede nang paglaruan.
Pwede nang
Oo,
paglaruan.
swerte
Huwag
naman
lang
din.
ang puso niya.
Ang swerte ni Miss Lucille.
Okay? So, yan. Now what? Now, another one that I can show you. Wala kang AI prompt. Wala kang lahat-lahat. And then all of a sudden, your client told you, can you show me something like this? So, here's what you need to do. For example, presentation. Paggawa ka ng presentation. Executive assistant ka. Kailangan mo ng presentation. I want you to do this. Wala kang masyadong maraming oras. Punta ka sa Gamma, create new. Generate. And then now, you can describe what you'd like to make. Create a presentation where you create a presentation. Anong gusto niyong presentation? Create a presentation of, anong gusto yung presentation?
Coach, sorry, pwede ba si Gamma kausapin ng Bisaya or Tagalog?
I haven't tried. Try nyo. Create a...
ChatGPT lang pwede, coach, no? Bisaya.
Si
Siguro.
ChatGPT, Bisaya
How to be a VA na lang, coach.
Si Jerome Mendoza lang talaga naaalala ko na complete name. Sorry, Jerome, but I have to use your name. Okay lang, thank you. Thank you for allowing me to use your name. Diba, wrong grammar pa ako. You are an executive assistant. Yan,
Coach?
2 line. Actually, 1 line lang to. And then let's try to generate outline. Let's see how good this is.
Ay, ano nangyari?
Walang nangyayari, charis lang. I am going to use... And then let's generate 10 cards. Sige na. Ako, mapapakape ako nito. Asan yung kape ko? Hirap mag-focus sa kukulit ng newborn and toddler. Naku, I understand.
Nawala yung anto ko dito, ah.
Talaga ba?
Coach,
Tapos,
habang nagge-generate yan, wait lang po. Yung sa resume ba, yung second page sa Canva, yung second page plain white na lang ba yun? Or same color ng first page?
Same color, pero wala na dapat header. Wala na yung name mo, yung title mo.
Yes,
Sige, wait lang ha. Later on, I'm gonna post something on Facebook about creating portfolio. But please, no one would comment Gamma there. Okay?
Yes,
I want you to comment everything that you have learned so far in creating your portfolio, and now lahat ng mga feedback ninyo. Just don't mention the name of the tool, not yet. Okay? So, let me present to you Jerome Mendoza, kaso nga lang babae. Sorry, Jerome, babae yung nandito. Elevating your executive potential, 'di ba? Kasi wala tayong masyadong binigay na details kay Gamma, pero ayan, the executive's dilemma, pain point yan, the delegation gap, misaligned time, the overhead problem, the evolution of executive support, Introducing Jerome Mendoza, babae siya dyan, sorry
Wow,
na.
ganda ni Jerome.
O, diba? Core services, calendar,
Ang
orchestration,
ganda.
executive communications. And the good thing about this is you can edit this. Yan, escape ka lang, may edit mo na kung anong laman yan. So wala nang dahilan para walang portfolio.
Yes,
Coach.
Coach.
Binabawi
Wala
ko na
na.
inggit ko. Binabawi mo na yung inggit mo.
Coach, in one
Binabawi ko na
in
inggit ko
one
sa
week
may
may
free
portfolio ka na.
portfolio.
Coach,
Tapos
prompt
ko na
please.
portfolio ko ng isang taon na.
Black and gold, okay siya, no? Napaka-elegant.
Yes, napaka-elegant ng black and gold. Sige, I'm gonna share this sa inyo. This is the AI prompt.
Bye-bye, Canva.
Babalikan ba? Uy, what? Kasi yung mga content calendars nyo. And since you guys know how to create presentations like this, I want your brand audit. Later on, we'll have brand audit. We'll have all your tasks to be presented using Gamma because I want you to be familiar with how to use these kinds of tools. So this is gonna be your edge. I promise you. This is a game changer. At ngayon pa nga lang na-amaze lang kayo, diba? So, promise, marami pa kayong. And I'm gonna share you.
Kailangan i-update yung resume. Isasama natin yan na tools.
Yes, pwede. Pwede. Very good.
Yeah.
Sasend ko
Kasi-
din yung sample EA portfolio.
Okay.
Kinuha nyo ng lahat sa akin. Charis. And Gamma
Bigay mo na lahat.
website. Oo nga.
Ibigay mo na lahat, Coach.
Pwede na
Hindi
siguro
kami
tayo. And
bibitaw.
pwede lang pala 5 days lang ang bootcamp. Charis.
Hindi kami bibitaw, Coach. May nagsabihin ako, Coach.
Ayun,
Diba?
sinend ko na.
Ano pa lang, 1 week pa lang
Forever
may work
yours
sila
na kami.
may client
Coach,
na
may
Forever
tanong
yours
lang
na
ako.
Dito pa lang, Coach, tapos na. Charot.
Walang bibitaw. Tapos
Wala
na
na
tayo.
ba? Sa'yo na kami.
Ano ba yan,
So,
Coach? Nagulat ako 5 days na pala, pang 5th day na. Parang kailan lang ah.
O, di ba 5 days na agad? Kaya yung iba nagre-re-enroll parang mga parang sina Ingrid,
Ay,
grabe.
present.
Ay, nandyan pa pala si Ingrid. Ingrid, bakit ka andyan? Andyan na naman. Charis. Hi, Ingrid. Okay na. O, di ba parehas ng reaction last time tsaka ngayon?
Yes,
Okay. So, I'm gonna give you time to create your portfolio. 30 minutes. Balik tayo ng, hindi, 20 minutes. Ang haba na ng 30 ha. Balik tayo ng 9:45 para I would ask one to show your portfolio. Okay? And I'm gonna shut my mouth. Wag muna kayo magtanong para makafocus kayo dyan sa portfolios na niyo. I'm gonna put myself on mute.
Sorry po. One last question. Ano po
Yeah.
okay lang kung gamitin muna namin yung kunwari yung Canva as a starting point?
Nope. I want you to use Gamma right now so that may application kaagad. Hindi nyo basta-basta makalimutan si Gamma. Just Gamma for now.
Coach, meron na bang link na yung na-send na prompt?
Yeah. Yep.
Teka lang, hindi ko
Meron na.
makita.
Wait, send ko ulit.
Coach, yung revamp
Ay, ito na, nakita ko na, Coach.
Yes, yung revamp resume ang
JD.
gagamitin ninyo.
Nakita ko na po,
Thank you
Coach.
po.
Alright, I will now put myself on mute.
Thank you. AI prompt. Gawa-gawa, higama.
Yun yung damit ni Liz.
Ah? Parcel?
Hindi pa VA yan ha, puro na parcel. Para pag naging VA pa yan.
Sana all.
Bayad na ba yung parcel?
Coach, sa AI prompt, saan kami mag-start mag-copy-paste sa step 1 requires input?
Sorry, nakamute pala ako. Eto, dito. Tapos ilagyan niyo ng input dyan ha, huwag niyo kalimutan. Tapos dito yung resume. Ayan, resume dito. Yung revamped.
Delay
And then tama
po
po
yung
ba, Coach?
video.
Iko-copy po namin siya all the way down. Ano po, unlike
Yes.
yung sa kagabi po na sa
Paunti-unti.
optimization na ginawa paunti-unti. Opo.
Yep, tama, tama.
Thank you po.
Excuse me po. Yung resume ko pa
Yeah.
na i-upload namin dito, yung parang ipe-paste pa yung dapat ba medyo
Revamp.
yung revamp na.
Yes, yung revamp.
Hindi ko pa naayos yung revamp ko pero sige try ko.
Try mo lang. Ito, for the sake of practice. You can try.
Hindi ko pa kasi ayos yung revamp ko pero sige try ko siya for the sake of practice nga po.
Okay.
Coach, sorry, medyo OC lang po. Yung may, sa pagka-login po kasi parang may nakalagay, how do you plan to use Gamma? Would you prefer for personal use or for work na po kaagad yung
For work.
choose namin? Thank you po.
Okay. Habang sila nagkakagulo sa Senado, nagkakagulo dito sa portfolio. At least ito lang yung pinagkakaguluhan natin. Ay, naku, wala na ko alam sa nangyayari sa mundo.
Coach, question.
Yep.
Jerson po. Coach,
Yeah.
anong kapag dinownload si Gamma, anong PDF or ano? Para ma-migrate siya sa Canva.
Presentation pa rin.
Okay po.
Presentation
Thank
pa rin.
you.
Coach, question lang po.
PowerPoint. Yes.
About which of the following best describe your role? Ano pong pwede kong anhin dito? Consultant
Depende kung
marketing.
anong role mo. Depende sa niche mo yan.
Okay, Coach. Thank you.
Okay.
Coach,
Yep.
saan po click po sa new Gamma or sa create new AI?
Create new Gamma.
Tapos presentation po.
Create new.
Yung choose po,
sorry.
Coach.
Okay po,
Sorry,
kita
sorry.
ko po.
How many
Pwede
people
po.
work in your organization, Coach? Ilan kaya ang pwede ko ilagay dito? Just me?
Yes, of course, just you.
Tapos
you,
po,
Coach.
generate po.
Yes, generate.
Love you, Coach.
Sorry. Sorry, Coach. Yung ipipaste ba doon po nagsisimula sa Coach?
Sorry,
Yung
isa lang.
step
Ito?
Step 1 po ba magsisimula, Coach, no? Yung ipipaste, Coach?
Hindi, dito, ito.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Coach.
Okay.
Coach, one last one para matapos
Yep.
na. Ano po ilalagay dito? Create with AI, generate face and text, create from templates, import
Create
file.
with
Oh, yun.
AI.
Okay. Thank you, Coach.
All right. What? You're having breakfast? Is it good? Is it yummy? Oh, you did eat vegetables. Very good. You're gonna be strong, babe. Can I see your muscle? Wow.
Coach, pasensya na po ulit sa abala. May
It's
tatanong lang
okay.
po sana ako. Since although hindi ko pa ayos yung intake resume form ko, since sabi niyo naman for the sake of practice, okay lang bang i-copy paste ko yung lahat ng yun, maski blanco halos lahat ng yun.
Yes, pwede. However, nasa 10 cards lang kayo because it's not a paid account. So,
Okay.
just be mindful with that.
Papa,
Coach, kapag
Yep.
po na copy paste na po namin yung AI prompt, kasi may nakalagay dito sa step 1 na yung number 2 po, copy of the job description. Ano po exactly yung i-copy namin? Yung sa may ano po ba? Sa may... Kasi po yung nilagay ko po, target job title, executive assistant, and then yung copy of the job description.
Sorry, ano daw? Nalito ako doon sa question mo.
Sorry
Ulit.
po.
Okay, it's okay. Ulit. My brain is not braining as of the moment.
Sorry
Again,
po, sa tab,
again.
dito po sa AI prompt,
Yeah.
tab 1 po ba or tab 2?
Tab 2, tab 2.
Tab
Tab
2.
2.
That's why mali po
Yes.
yung ginawa ko. Sorry, Coach. Good morning.
Good morning. May sabay good
Coach,
morning
anong location and time zone yung ilalagay?
Syempre, location mo, tsaka time zone, hindi, sorry, location mo, time zone, can work yung availability mo na time zone. Yan.
Thank you.
Excuse me, excuse me, Coach.
Halatang walang tulog eh. Sige, ano?
I'm really here. Sa ano ba, sa Gamma, Coach, how do you plan to use Gamma for personal use, for work? Okay,
Work.
thank you.
Alright. 10 minutes more. May re-replyan lang ako, saglit lang. May replyan lang ako, saglit lang. I'm gonna put myself on mute.
So 10 slides lang. Okay,
May pa-help.
Kinsay Bisaya did he?
Can you resend yung prompt? Hindi ko siya makita. I think may problem yung pinaka.
Sa step 1 po kayo nag-copy po.
2 sa
Tab 2 po, yung
ma'am.
may nakalagay po na use
Opo,
this.
tapos require inputs po.
Yes po,
Oh,
yung step
mismong
1.
prompt. Saan ba sinet? Sorry
Po. Nag-try po ako ba, kinapi ko po yung yung full name hanggang hanggang dito sa provided. Tapos po ang lumabas is yung the virtual assistant advantage from support to strategic partner.
Yes, ma'am. Copy po yun lahat from the top to bottom. Pero i-input mo lang yung full name, professional background. Lahat yung para sa may step 1, banda.
Okay po. Tapos po maglagay po ba ako doon wait lang.
Copy-paste mo yung yung resume. Yung revamp resume sa may third line, yung resume, paste full resume content or upload resume for reference.
Okay po.
Professional background.
Doon po sa may professional background or previous work experience, hindi ko po na-capture kanina. Ano po yung ilalagay? Yung as in yung previous work experience po natin or yung as a VA na po? Sorry.
Philippines po ba ilalagay dito sa location and time zone po or sa ibang bansa?
Philippines, tabi.
Ang ginawa ko sa akin, yung name ko lang finil up ko tapos kinapipihis ko na diretso yung resume doon sa part na resume. Tapos enter nyo yung sa step 1, yun ganun ginawa ko tapos enter. Tapos pag lumabas na yung result, yung baba naman ng step 1, i-copy paste nyo na naman siya sa ChatGPT, lalabas na siya lahat pati yung time zone so you don't need to fill up the time zone anymore.
ChatGPT po muna i-paste yung prompt.
Oo, sa ChatGPT nyo paste yung prompt. Step 1 ka muna. Tapos ilagay mo lang yung name mo. Tapos yung sa part ng yung resume na kailangan mo i-paste yung resume. I-paste mo yung resume tapos enter. Pag lumabas na yung
Tab 2 po
result.
ba to?
O yan dyan part. Yan.
Okay.
Tapos
Oh,
may
sige po.
part yan na lagay mo yung resume. Dyan mo i-paste yung resume mo.
Okay.
Tapos pag lumabas na yung result, i-paste mo na naman kay ChatGPT yung after ng step 1 hanggang end. Lalabas
Okay
na
po.
yan lahat pati ang time zone.
Okay po. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Illustration, photo.
Sorry, paano i-upload yung resume?
Yang sa resume, after na professional background, paste full resume content or upload resume for reference.
Link po ba ilagay?
Hindi link. Yung sa yung ano mo, yung Canva mo, yung result ng revamp, i-open mo yung Canva tapos Control A, then Control C, tapos i-Control V mo dyan sa part ng kailangan mo i-paste yung resume.
Thank
Yung tab 2 po ba yung i-paste sa ChatGPT?
Po?
Yes po.
Yung
Yes
tab
po. Yung may
2, okay.
nakalagay na use this.
Yan, use this
Okay.
po.
Okay.
You mean yung link po sa Canva yung ilalagay?
Hindi link ang nilagay ko.
Canva? Ano
Kinapi-paste ko
pong
mula sa
kukunin sa
Canva.
Yung resume revamp?
Opo, yung
Yes po.
revamp yung sabi ni
Ginagawa
Coach.
niya sarili.
Tapos ilalagay po doon sa page. Okay po.
Oo.
Hello, excuse me. Paano ka mag-copy paste?
Control A.
Control A, Control C.
Control C, then Control V mo siya doon sa sa ChatGPT.
Ilagay mo lang yung resume mo.
Okay, thank you. Sa ChatGPT ba talaga or sa Gamma?
ChatGPT po muna bago sa Gamma.
Alright, thank you.
Okay po. Sa ChatGPT pala muna.
Kaya pala iba yung result ng Gamma. Doon pinipit.
Kasi dinidiretso ko sa Gamma, akala ko hindi na sa sa ChatGPT. Kaya pala
Or can I
mali.
send the link po sa Canva?
Yung buong sa resume nyo, yung click nyo po yung share, may lalabas po doon na copy link. Sa right side po.
Ako sa share.
Nilagyan niyo pa po ba ng yung ninyo, anong tawag na ito? Sa additional instructions, naglagay pa po kayo?
Nakalimutan.
Po.
Sa akin, nakalimutan ko lagay na generate ko agad.
Lagyan niyo
Ayun
na lang
na.
po
Uulit
Pero
ka
kasi
dyan.
naglagay si Coach siya. Ano pong nilagay ninyo?
Readable, tsaka ano ba yan? Meron siyang sinabi.
Saan po ilalagay yan?
Hindi ko kasi na-screenshot yung inano ni
Ah,
coach, yung sample na nilagay ni coach.
Professional and readable po.
Ayun lang nakalagay.
Opo.
Okay, thank you po.
Yung sa tab 1 is for ChatGPT, tama ba?
Hello po, magtatanong lang. Ngayon lang ako nakagawa ng gamma ko kasi wala akong signal. Ano po yung sinabi ni coach na ilalagay? For work ba? For personal use? Ano po yung sabi ni coach
For
Jen?
work po. For work
Ayun.
po.
Okay, thank you. Isa pa pong tanong. Anong nilagay niyong rule doon? Sa gamma? Salamat.
Working.
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 Ano po?
Working na.
Okay,
Para sa
thank you.
work.
Okay, thank you po. Yung sa rule po, which of the following best describe your rule? May ano pong nilagay niyo po doon?
Kung
Ako
ano
po
yung
nilagay ko,
napili mong niche,
Niche,
kung ano yung niche mo, yan ilagay mo.
Okay. Thank you po.
Tanong lang po, yung sa, di ba po yung tab 2, yung i-copy paste po natin na prompt. So, hindi po siya pwedeng i-diretso po siya sa sa Gamma. So, need po muna sa ChatGPT. And then after ng result is, doon pa lang siya ipipaste sa Gamma. Tama po ba?
Gawa ka ng doxis, yung instruction ni coach. Gawa ka ng portfolio content. Then, step 1, kung ano yung binigay ni ChatGPT, lagay mo doon sa portfolio content sa docs mo para masundan mo. Then, saka mo i-paste sa Gamma.
Alright,
Ay po,
time
thank
is
you po.
up. Charis.
Hindi ako makahabol.
Alam niyo, I
Gising
was
na
just
yung anak
here
ko.
the whole time. Thank you so much. Alam ko na nagtutulungan na kayo. I-continue nyo yan kasi marami pa kayong pagdadaanan na sabay-sabay kayong gagawa. So, sino ang nakatapos?
Ako, coach, gumagawa pa lang ako ng gamma ko. Nawala kasi ako
Gagawa
ng
pa lang ng
net.
account. Sino yung tapos na? Yung may nagawa ng portfolio who wants to share?
James
Isa
po.
lang.
Pero one card
Kahit
lang.
isa lang.
James
Coach,
po.
isang
pero
tanong. Sa
ginagawa pa.
ChatGPT ba ito ipopaste?
James? Sino daw?
Yes
Si
po.
James tapos na? James, patingin
Yes
nga.
po. Anong i-paste ko coach? Yung link or download ko to?
Just present it. Just present it. Sige,
Paano
share.
po?
Share your screen.
Okay. Hindi ako
James,
masyado.
is it okay? I'm going to record this. Kero
Yeah,
lang.
it's a problem. No problem po. Paano
Sige, go.
mag-share screen ko?
On top, right
Sa
hand
more?
corner.
Sa
Tabi
side
ng
ng
leave.
mic.
Katabi ng leave, in between mic and leave.
Yeah. Okay.
Quiet
And
yan.
then
The dust. No, don't do
share
that.
screen.
Yep.
Okay. So, are you seeing my screen
Yep.
na po?
Click on present. Click on present. Bookkeeping pala to si James. Okay.
Actually, yan yung nasend ko doon sa ano ko, coach, sa for revamp sa iyo.
Okay.
Pero doon sa niche discovery ko, ang lumalabas, it's more of social media and admin. So, since hindi ko pa tapos, so ito muna yung ginamit ko kasi ito yung na-revamp ko na talaga po. Okay,
Okay.
so this is my sample portfolio na lumabas using Gamma. Paano ba to
Go.
i-move? Enter lang ba?
Right click. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Right. Yung sa ano mo?
Arrow
Sa
right.
arrow right.
Okay. So, ito yung second page. Then, next is yung About Me na page.
Wow.
Minimize ko lang kasi. And then, yung core competencies po. It's already here. And then, yung professional experience. Kasi medyo retail kasi yung background ko. So, I'm a retail merchandising sa Davao. And then,
Oh, you're
tools
from
and
Davao, James. I didn't know.
Yes po. Yeah, I worked previously sa NCC coach, but I'm
see.
currently here in Manila.
Oh, okay.
Nakikipagsapalaran but my goal talaga is to be online BA.
Okay, all right. Sige.
Then
This is
sample
nice.
work
Can
projects.
you go back
snapshot.
one page? I just wanna look at that. Yung last page. Yan. Ang ganda ng tools and tech stack, oh. Oh, diba?
Yes.
Nice. Sige, next page.
And then, so these are the sample work projects snapshot.
Okay. When you don't have to consider the limitations of how many slides, this could be better if mas malalaki to ha. Much more explained. The same
Yes,
way I
coach.
showed earlier.
May mga ni-remove din po ako kasi pag generate ko, it's around 22 cards lahat. So, and then how can I support your business? So, and then educational and trainings. Then last is let's work together. So, iyan po ang aking portfolio.
I have thought that this portfolio is done in less than 15 minutes.
Yes, coach. So I had my portfolio po na ginawa din before and it took me 5 days to complete the whole portfolio using ChatGPT and Canva. So, and this looks more professional than what I did.
This looks more professional than what you did for 5 days. 5 days
for
mo
5
ginawa
days.
yun.
Yeah. So
This one,
good.
ginawa less than 15
Less 5
minutes.
minutes. So good thing
Wow.
that I really invested in your the VA ladder.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
thank you. Stop share na ako, coach.
Yeah. Alright, there you go. O, diba? Madali lang naman. So, ayoko na makarinig na, coach, kailangan ba talaga ng portfolio? Or coach, ang hirap gumawa ng portfolio eh. Kasi, sinubo ko na lahat sa inyo yung kailangan nyo just for you to have your portfolio. So, right now, your foundations is now solid enough, I believe. So, next week, we're gonna do our skills training. Okay, thank you so much, James, for sharing your portfolio. So, lahat ng
Coach,
yan.
may question lang ako.
Sure.
Since na-utilize na yung 10 cards, if we're gonna use Gamma again, do we need to pay the premium na?
No, you can still create.
Or
Pwede pa.
every time we use Gamma, it's limited to 10 cards pag
Limited to
naka-free
10
account.
cards lang.
Okay,
Yeah.
noted.
Pero you can
coach.
still create more gammas.
Okay. As long as it's 10 cards per
Yep.
generation codes. Okay,
Yep.
thank you so much, coach.
All right.
Coach, tanong lang po.
Yeah, sure.
How many people work at your organization? Ano po ilalagay
Just
dito,
me.
Coach? Just me.
Just
Okay,
me
thank you
or
po.
two. Ano ba yung naman nandyan? It really doesn't matter kasi just sa ano lang naman yan yung pag-create ng account. So, carry lang yan. Okay, so again, sure.
Yeah. Sa yung ginawa kong portfolio, may yung last page, pwede ko siya i-share. Itanong ko lang kung paano yun i-maximize.
Sige, go.
Okay, one moment.
Share your screen. I'm gonna stop the recording ha para mag-load na kaagad para maisali nila Rhea.